If you're using Microsoft Word and you see this message in the lower left corner that says you can't make this change because the selection is locked, then keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. First, let's close the Microsoft Word completely. Now open File Explorer and let's go to this PC. Then open Local Disk C. Next, open Program File folder. Scroll down and let's open the Microsoft Office folder. Then open the folder called Office 16, or it might be Office 15 or Office 14 depending on your version. Inside, find a file named osp.prearm.exe. Right-click on it and choose Run as an Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Do this 3 times. Just run the same file 3 times as an admin. This file resets the Office trial period and remove activation restrictions, like the locked selection message. Now open Microsoft Word again, and that message should be gone now. Let me know if this worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.